Hello, Namaskaram. Uh, this is our small venture called OGMO, which literally means organic move. So we use Siridhanium, minor millets, to make these products. So we have quite a different range of like breakfast mix, from breakfast mix to ready to go food, from like bites and then pre-mixes to health drinks to grains. So we have a complete range of meals made with minor millets. So we basically focus mainly on minor millets, which we call as siridhanium. So most of our product are ready to eat, and there is absolutely no need to cook any of these products. So that is our main USP, and we are so excited to be chosen by IIMR and Nutri Hub as a cohort, and it's our extreme pleasure to be here in Hyderabad and among such wonderful participants and delegates. I'm Sangeeta. I'm the founder of this company, OGMO Foods, from Chennai.